In this video, we're going to have a look at calculating area and volume of similar shapes using their scale factors. So to calculate the volume of an enlarged surface area, you take the original surface area and times it by the scale factor squared. For the volume of an enlarged area, you take the original volume of the smaller similar shape and times it by the scale factor cubed. So let's have a look at an example. In the question, we have a model car that is the exact replica of the real car and is being reduced by a factor of 12. So in part A, if the actual surface area of the car to be painted is 4.32 meters squared, what is the area on the model car? And for part B, if the storage capacity of the car is 1.78 meters cubed, what is the storage capacity of the model car? So before we get started, we'll do a couple of conversions. The first one is the area of the actual car is 4.32 meters squared. And to be able to complete the calculation, that needs to be in centimeters squared. So I'm going to take my 4.32 and I'm going to times it by 100 squared. So the surface area of the car is equal to 43,200 centimeters squared. And I'm going to do the same for the volume, converted from meters cubed to centimeters cubed. So 1.78 times by 100 cubed equals 1,780,000 centimeters cubed. So now that I've got both my measurements in centimeters squared and centimeters cubed, the other calculation I need to do is of the scale factor. So scale factor is going to equal 1 divided by 12, which is equal to 0.833. So now that I have my scale factor, which is going to reduce my car down to the model size of 0.083, I can go ahead and complete part A and part B. So to calculate the scaled area for part A, it is going to be the original area times by scale factor squared. So that is going to equal to 43,200 because I need to use the centimeter squared value times by 0.833 squared, and that is going to equal to 300 centimeters squared. So the surface area of the model car is going to be 300 centimeters squared. Now for part B, the scale volume is going to equal the original volume times by scale factor cubed because I'm calculating volume. So that's going to be 1,780,000 times by 0.0833 cubed, and that is going to rounded is going to equal to 1,030 centimeters cubed. So the storage capacity of the model car is going to be 1,030 centimeters cubed. So that's an example of how we can complete a calculation to calculate the area and the volume of a scaled object based on the original values.